Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to do the exercise of the chapter Being Healthy. Before we start, let's do the recap. The chapter is Being Healthy. How do we keep healthy? By exercising, by playing games, maintaining proper posture, eating and sleeping well. Not only eating is essential, but sleeping well is also equally essential. And following good habits. We should follow all the good habits to keep healthy. Okay, let's come to the question now. The question is, choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. And what are the words given in the box? Outdoor, that is outside our home. Healthy, straight, ate. Now let's see the given sentence. Hockey is an example of an dash game. So hockey, what kind of game it is? It is an outdoor game. So let's write here O-U-T out, D-O-O-R, door. Outdoor. Put a tick on outdoor as we have written. So the sentence is hockey is an example of an outdoor game. Come to the second one. Exercise keeps us dash and active. Exercise keeps us healthy and active. So let's write here healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Put a tick mark over healthy. Now we come to the third one. We need at least dash hours of sleep a day. So at night when we sleep, what is the minimum hours we should sleep is 8 hours. Then only we will feel good in the morning. We need at least 8 hours of sleep a day. Let's write here E-I-G-H-T 8. Put a tick over here. That's why it is said now. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. That is, you have to go early to bed and then take 8 hours of sleep and then get up early in the morning, and then you will be healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay. That means we will complete our 8 hours of sleeping. Come to the fourth one. We should stand dash. How we should stand? We should always stand straight. Let's write here S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. We should always stand straight. We should always maintain a proper posture, that is straight. Let's read the sentences with me, children. Hockey is an example of an outdoor game. Exercise keeps us healthy and active. We need at least 8 hours of sleep a day. We should stand straight. Put a tick mark over straight as we have written. So we can see that all the 4 words we have used in the blanks. Hence we have completed the question. Let's turn the page, children. So children, now we are at page number 168 and we are going to do question number B, that is strike out the incorrect words. So 2 words are given in each sentence. One is correct and the other one is incorrect. So we are going to strike out the incorrect one. Let's read the first sentence. We must eat sweets, play sports to keep fit. So, two options are eat sweets, play sports. One is correct and the other one is wrong. So the two options given here are eat sweets and play sports. So which one is correct? What helps us in keeping fit? Of course, playing sports, right? So we are going to strike eat sweets, the incorrect one. Now the sentence is, we must play sports to keep fit, right? Now come to the second one. Second one is, we should have 8 or 3 hours of sleep every night. 3 is very less, right? We should have 8 hours of sleep every night. Then only we will feel fresh in the morning, right? So strike out the 3 and the correct option is 8. We should have 8 hours of sleep every night. Okay? Come to the next one. We should brush our teeth once or twice every day. So we all know, children, we have to brush our teeth twice a day. So strike the word once. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Once after getting up early in the morning and once before going to sleep, that is after dinner, right? Come to the fourth one. We must eat junk or healthy food. Of course, to be healthy, we have to eat healthy food. So we will strike out the word junk here and the sentence will be, we must eat healthy food. Now we come to C question. Look at the drawings. Fill in the blanks with the correct letters to complete the words. Look at the picture. What is the picture given here? And we have to complete the word here. 2 dashes are given that we have to complete. What is the boy doing? The boy is washing his hands. Washing is already written here. Hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. So these are the good habits given here and you have to complete the blanks, right? What is the girl doing in the picture? She is doing exercise. Doing is already written. Exercise, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E-S. Exercise. Come to the next one. What is the boy doing? The boy got up early in the morning, right? So he is getting up early. So getting up is already written, E-A-R-L-Y. Remember I told you? Early to bed and early to rise. That means getting up early in the morning. See, the sun is rising and the boy got up, right? So that is a good habit. Now, in this picture, what is given? A class is there and the teacher is explaining something and all the students are listening the teacher very carefully. And what is given here? Being dash in the class. Listening carefully is attentive. You have to write here attentive. So the spelling is A-T-T-E-N-T-I-V-E. Attentive. Being attentive in class. That is also a good habit. Okay. Generally we keep on talking in the class. That is not good. When the teacher is explaining, you have to be attentive in the class. Okay. Come to the next one. What is going on here? Someone is taking bath. You have to take bath every day, children. So, what is written here? Taking a bath. B-A-T-H, bath. So, we have completed all the words given here. Now we come to question number 4. Draw lines to match correctly. Let's see what is given. Sneezing without covering the nose. Now pay attention, children, when this kind of sentence is given, you have to pay attention to the word with or without. Only with this one single word, the meaning changes completely. So what is written here? Sneezing without covering the nose. So that will be a bad habit. Okay, we should cover our nose. So what is the options given? Proper shape to our body, good habit, bad habit, good exercise. So when it is written here without covering, that means we have to match it with bad habit. Take your scale, children, and match this one with B option. Kindly use your scale. Okay, so that your book will look neat and clean. Now come to the second one, walking, jogging. Now walking, jogging is a kind of a exercise. So we can write good exercise. Join it with good exercise. Walking and jogging are very good for our health. So it is a good exercise. Good posture. Good posture is a good habit. But what is a good posture do? Proper shape to our body. Good posture gives proper shape to our body. So we are going to match this with A option. And the last one is taking a bath. Taking a bath is of course a good habit. We have done it here as well. That keeps us clean and we feel fresh too. So taking a bath is a good habit, so we have to match it with good habit. Children, kindly use your scale to match. Okay, so let's repeat it once, children. Sneezing without covering the nose, bad habit. Walking, jogging, good exercise. Good posture, proper shape to our body. Taking a bath, good habit. Now we come to the next page. So children, now we are on page number 169 of your test book and we are going to do question number E. Answer in one or two words. The first one is, how do you feel after exercising? How do you feel after exercising? We feel fresh. So write with me. F-E-E-L, feel. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Feel fresh. Come to the second one. How many hours of sleep do we need? Now you all know we all need 8 hours of sleep. So write with me. E-I-G-H-T, 8. And the third one. What kind of food should we avoid eating? Avoid means we should not eat. So what kind of food we should not eat? That is junk food. J-U-N-K. Write with me. Junk food. F-O-O-D, food. Okay. F question we are going to do tomorrow in our notebook. Come to the G1. Tick the pictures showing good postures. Okay. And what is a good posture? Sitting straight or standing straight. Let's see. Yes, this boy is walking straight. So this one is good posture. He is not straight. He is in a zigzag way. So this is not a good posture. We will not do anything in this. She is not walking straight. She is bending so much, right? So this is also not a good posture. Now look at this lady. She is sitting straight. So it is a good posture. Now this lady is sitting in a chair and this boy is also sitting in his chair. Just see the difference. This boy is not sitting straight. So this one is not a good posture. So only in two boxes we have to put the right option, that is the first one where the boy is walking straight, and the other one where the woman is sitting straight on a chair. Okay. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.